I'm Jay Miller, and,
Matt Coiner.
and we're going to be talking about the extraction of bitumen for tar sands, two of the main processes they use. Bitumen sands, it's petroleum deposits. It's a very viscous material. It's like oil kind of infused into the sand, and it's not very much petroleum, but they extract it and they make a form of synthetic crude oil from it. And here we have one of the sites. Most of these are tilling ponds, waste product, and the other one up top left is actual bitumen itself. Surface mining extraction. This is basically strip mining. They go in and they remove the top layer of earth to get down to the seam of where the tar sands are, or the bitumen sands, and they excavate them out, and they load dump trucks with them, and the dump trucks haul them away to the plant to be broken down and processed so they can get to the bitumen.
At the plant, the material goes through a chemical process and it gets broken down. It uses hot water to melt the bitumen sand and take the petroleum out of the sand. A lot of the heavy, bad solids are removed through that process. Air is then pumped into the mixture and it lets the bitumen float to the surface, and that can be collected as bitumen froth. Once again, gets sent for further processing to a refinery. Here you can see strip mine from the surface, a little more detail. You have the excavator that just goes in, takes the top layer off, loads it into a dump truck that travels to the processing facility. The second method that we're going to talk about is the steam-assisted gravity drainage, or the SAG. This method is very similar to fracking or used in like the gas wells, where they drill multiple wells down into the ground and they use high pressure steam to inject into the ground, which melts the bitumen and it flows up kind of like an oil reservoir. Bitumen is then pumped out of the wells and it's transported to the refinery in that method. Here you see the process where you have the wells going down into the ground and the steam also being pumped in. The steam once again melts the solid bitumen and it flows to the top just like an oil well. Thank you for watching our presentation. These are our sources. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.